In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background or header photos in Squarespace easily. Whether you're revamping your entire website or just looking to freshen up the look with new images, the process is straightforward and can make a world of difference in how your site appears to visitors. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to log into Squarespace. Open your browser and navigate to the Squarespace login page. Here you'll enter your email and password associated with your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the account dashboard. This is your main hub that gives you access to all the sites you manage. It's like your Squarespace command center. Next, locate your website from this dashboard. You'll see a list of sites under your account, so click on the site you want to update. This action will direct you to your website's main administrative page. Now, here's where the fun part starts. To begin editing, we need to enter the editing mode of your site. You'll see an option or button to edit your site, usually at the top of the screen. Hover over the header area to find the Edit Header Site button. This specific section is where you can start making modifications. When you're in the editing view, look for the Edit Design option. It's your gateway to all things visual in regard to your website's layout. Inside Edit Design, you'll notice settings that allow you to change both the background and the header photo. Select the background or header element you wish to alter and upload the new graphic or photo you'd like to use. This is a great time to think creatively about what kind of imagery best represents your brand or the message you want to convey on your site. Whether it's a sleek minimalist photo or a vibrant graphic, the choice of your imagery can set the tone for visitors. Once you're satisfied with your new background or header image, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the save button, which is typically on the upper right or left. Clicking this ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and that your site now proudly displays the updated images. And there you have it, a refreshed Squarespace site with new background or header photos. Remember, the photos you choose can significantly impact the overall feel and user experience of your website, so take your time to select something that truly represents your brand. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy designing.